This application lets you create shortcuts of anything that is shareable into your home screen. By the way, this is not a sponsored video in any mean. I'm just sharing to you as we found this application as interesting. Anyway, without any further ado, let's dive into the working right after the intro. So I'm your host vmsulthan and let's make this happen. Shorty is the name of the application. It does have only one interface while we open the application. And this is where it shows list of every shortcuts that we created. The working is pretty simple. Let us show you with an example of accessing a picture in your gallery with a single tap. So open your gallery app and just randomly select a picture. Tap on the share button. From here just select the application Shorty. And that will take you to this tab where you can customize the shortcut icon that will appear on your home screen. In the tag section, you can change the name. Icon style let you change the way it shows on home screen. There is 3 different ways to show the icon. Firstly, showing the picture itself. Secondly, thumbnail, where it shows the default icon of the file type, which we can further customize by its color. And lastly, by adding just the custom text. So after everything is set to your taste, tap the tick mark at the top right corner. Then just tap add. So now let's try it out. But right before that, let me just clear the gallery application from my recent tab. Okay, so this is the shortcut that we just created. And when we tap on it, it opens up directly the picture. So here as I installed multiple gallery application, it just asking through which app should I open it. And if you only use one gallery app, then it will directly open. No worry about that. So as you just see, it opens up the photo. Now let's try with one more example. This time let's see how it can hold up with a link. So basically I'm just trying to add a YouTube video shortcut. Yeah, let's try this Apple ad itself. So just tap on the 3 dots and share it. Then choose the Shorty app. And after doing all the customization, just tap the tick mark and then add. Now let's test it out. But before that, once again let's clear the application from the recent tab. So as you guys can see, it directly opens up to the video. That's sweet, right? So I think this app would help us not to forget with some must-watch videos and blog posts on YouTube and Chrome respectively. Also guys, this does works with Instagram as well. And while you are testing on Instagram, just don't forget to follow me on there at vmsulthan. Anyway, let us know how you are going to utilize this application. Just give it a try, and if something neat good happened on your mind, be sure to tweet it to me at vmsulthan. Either way, that's been it guys. Like this video if I gave you to some information, or else just dislike it. And while being there, subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notified to our every upload. Comment down your thoughts and critique about this video, and also share this video onto your every social media. Anyway, till next time, stay connected and be ready for a new content. Have a great day, my dear friends.